Wait a minute. No, no, no. He said I stay hyper. He said I stay hyper. He said I stay hyper. No. Which way? Which way? Hold on. Which way should I go? Oh, no. Which way? No. Which way should I go? No. Help me out. Help me out. What the fuck? Help me out. Tell me. What am I missing? Up or down? Whole thing? Just throw the whole sound away? So how should I go? I need to know. Like that. I need to know. I can't do it no more. I need to know. I need to know how to approach the song, yeah. Is it something like that? Do I got it yet? Help me out. Spit it out. Tell me what you trying to say, boy. How you want me, how you want me, how you want me. Yeah. I'm trying to make sense to you. Tell me, yeah, how to communicate with you, converse with you. Either way, I'm trying to talk to you, yeah. Have I got a key, yeah? I don't know what, yeah. Talk to me, baby. You're sitting there thinking I need you to talk to me, huh? I don't know. Now you got me thinking. Now you got me feeling like I'm fucking up. Huh? What's up? Yeah. He gon' let me take the whole test with no input. Yeah. Yo, judge. What it do? Your cold blood. How you leave your girl like that, baby? You know I love you, boy. You say you love me, boy. What the fuck, boy? I can switch it up any way you want it, but I'm trying to figure out exactly how you want it. Yeah. I can make it happen for you, baby. Cause you're working, baby. At the food, baby. Swear to God, I can't fucking stand you, baby. Yeah. You already know I ride for you. Shit, fucking die for you. Even motherfucking kill for you. Don't get it twisted though, cause you can get it too. You already know shit. But ain't trying to go that route with you, baby. Yeah. I'm trying to end the story on a different note, baby. I feel like I'm flowing this bitch, baby.